I want to show you how to animate screenshots in Premiere Pro. So the first step in animating your screenshot is to add your background image to video layer 1 and your screenshot image to video layer 2. With the screenshot highlighted, go to Effect Controls and modify the scale value until it's the size that you want. Now head over to Effects and find Drop Shadow and add it to the screenshot layer. Under Effect Controls, change the direction to -150, distance to 50, and softness to 100. This will add a nice subtle drop shadow to your screenshot. Now let's animate it. Go to Effects and find Basic 3D and add it to your screenshot image. Under Effect Controls, click on the stopwatch icon for swivel and tilt, and modify the values so your image tilts in a random direction. I'm going to go with 10 degrees for this example. Now move the timeline slider to the end of the clip and change the values again so the screenshot moves into a new direction. Everything is ready. Let's see the result.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.